fast. Shit. Holy shit. Right in the back. Oh shit, the ACs, the units are still there? Shit. Shit, the units are still there? Fuck. Badass. How long has this house been abandoned for?
5 years. There's no one ever come out.
You should move. Hey, we should all post for a picture of the bikes all together because it looks badass.
Hey, next time bring my camera.
Bring your camera.
Like I have an extra camera for photos.
Yeah. I got a new GoPro. Yeah.
Someone told me that I need to buy one like when I have money. I don't have
Yeah, you should. Shit. Do we just go inside? Hey. You want to hide them in the back?
Yeah.
You think it's able to go through there? Oh, we're gonna hide the bikes because we're gonna go inside. Do you want to go inside? Just to tell them to bring them the bikes in the back. Shit.
Just in case something happens today.
Yeah.
Just go through over here and
Fuck,
go
you
through over there.
think we'll make it through the grass?
Yeah.
Hold on, let me move my
The go-kart may not. So.
Fuck. Shit. Hey, there's still some tools here. Oh. This guy used to have a boat or something?
Huh?
Did he used to have a boat?
We've been here like 5 times. Hey, is something good with you?
Man, it smells old. Fucking smells like rat shit. Not rat shit, but there's a door. Shit. Wanna see if it's open? Oh no, they broke in. Oh shit. Someone should have brought a good flashlight. No, hey, we should have. Oh, you tell him to lead first. You got a light. Shit.
Hey, let's take a video.
I am. I'm on my GoPro. Shit. This is. Ay, chingao. Whoa. Hey, you want a Bud Light? Is there an upstairs?
No.
Hey, who needs to take a shit?
I do, but I'm not gonna take shit here. Damn.
Shit. What the fuck is this? Hey. Old ass. Ooh, a Santa Claus too. We should all spread out. Tell them to spread out.
Fuck no.
No, why? Shit. Hey, you want some shoes, we?
Oh.
This is a gun cabinet. Shit, this is actually.
¿Ya la aspiradora? ¿Sí funciona?
Good. Work. Never mind.
I don't even know.
It's a badass gun cabinet. What the fuck is it? Oh shit.
What is this?
I don't know.
Hey, I think I'm gonna take the plushie.
Yeah, you should. Oh, look at that fucking big ass TV.
What the fuck is that?
Let's go inside. Come on. Hey, an old TV. It's like an old seat or something.
What the fuck is this?
It's like a. Shit, I like this place.
Oh yeah, si las teles funcionan las no.
Think we should get out of here?
Look.
Hey, take the plushie. Looks brand new. Hey, Creon. Alright, buddy. Ooh, some old mugs. Shit. Hey, someone should just be watching the bikes, no? Oh god. Shit, this is messy. Man, I guess this used to be a kid's room. Hey, this is recent, no?
Oh yeah?
I can't find the expiration date. This thing looks like brand new. Nada. Yeah. Huh? Alright, let's go downstairs. Shit, this is some big ass content. On there. Close the door. Whenever they get out.
Guys, a fishing rod.
Where? Oh shit. That was cool. Shit.
I found a crayon.
You found a plushie? Hey, wait. Wait. Wow. Oh shit, wait, that actually. The little abandoned shed? Let me take a picture.
Se mira como una Raptor.
Yeah.
No corre como una Raptor.
Shit. What is this? I don't know what the hell this says, but shit. Oh, I think this is supposed to be a Camaro. Oh no, it's a Pontiac. Shit, looks everything like original. And but look, that one looks like it's been there for a while. See?
You know that we can't just take those two back.
No, we can't. We don't have titles for them. We can't drive them on the road, but we can fix them. Look, see? Who would leave a Cadillac here?
Wait, let me take a picture of the plates because I can ask that one to check them.
Sure. Oh, you can just take the plates too? Souvenirs? Hey, the house? Hey, look, a Guitar Way. What is this? Guitar Hero. It's for Guitar Hero.
Fucking bro, this is.
And oh shit, that place looks nice. Shit, I kind of like that house.
I know those.
They got another machine here
I
too.
dated her daughter.
Huh?
I dated her daughter.
When?
Her daughter was for
Bunch of VS tapes. Hey, what's that?
Those pornos.
Standard, okay. One.
Mira, otra. Oigan, ¿qué no quiere? Otra la verga. Bien, no, nuevo. Nuevo. Todavía funciona.
¿Tienes las pelotas?
No, güey. Acá tengo dos yo. Esas no calan, güey.
What'd you find?
Hey, the bomb, that's the bomb.
What?
Hola, el comic book. El trofeo. El trofeo. A.B. on the road. 2012. Hey, I gotta take this. And say it was me.
There is one in the front. Fuck. Hey, I might take him. Look.
Take it.
I am. He's gonna be my new passenger princess.
Bro, I had A and B honor roll.
A and B honor roll.
Yeah. Trust.
Hey, there's no, never mind. There's not much in the back. Hey, look, Silent Hill. So, hey, look at the poster. Some old ass video game. And some diary. I wonder what it is. Oh, look, it's got writing. I'm gonna take it as a souvenir.
Dragonite.
Where? No way.
Dragonite.
Huh.
Oh no, that's not fucking Dragonite.
Oh shit. Alright, let's get the hell out of here. I got my souvenirs. Man, this place.
I just want to go check the other house more.
What other house?
This house. The one over here.
There is no more house.
No, this one.
It's a Bible.
The one that we just went.
We already explored it.
There's so much stuff in there, but
Alright, let's get the hell out of here. Come on. Hey, look. Guess this is where they used to. Got me a souvenir and a Hello Kitty diary.
wait. Actually,
What?
I'm 18. I gotta take this shit. I gotta take that one. You take that one.
No, you can't. Hey, pop the hood. Hey, what if it still has the engine? Oh shit.
Where's the fucking battery? I need one.
Right here.
No, it's just
No, but it's old. It's been sitting.
There's one of Fusillas, no? I mean, we could take the engine.
You need a bunch of tools for that. Imagine how long it's gonna take. Like a few hours at least. All right, close the hood. Come on. Hey, they're gonna take the keys.
Well, I take this because I was clearly in A and B.
Yeah, I'm gonna take this because this is my diary. Hey, you need tires?
Hey guys, you never check that shit out.
Oh shit, you're right.
Let's go to this one.
Hey, look, there's another car in here.
Wait, there's a garage. We never went in. Yeah, open it.
Oh shit! What the fuck? Shit. Hey, look, another guitar. This one's like a real one.
Wait, let's get this shit a secret.
Oh, wait, we gotta come back for this. We gotta come back for this.
Yeah.
Holy shit. Hey! And upstairs.
What's the stairs?
Fuck. Fuck.
What the fuck? Let's go.
Yes. Holy shit. Hey, look. Y'all wanna gamble? What'd you find? Look at what you found.
Good shit.
Bro, really? Made it seem all exciting. Hey, with a bunch of fucking slot machines? Holy shit. We fucking hit the jackpot.
Yeah.
Shit, we gotta take them.
This shit at least has to have coins.
Hey, let's go. It fucking smells like shit. Hey, who is the light?
Oh, yeah, me echó un pedo.
You think the stairs are still stable?
Fuck, yo. Maybe.
Hey, let us people go first. Let us people go first. Shit. It's alright, bro. Don't worry about it. I need a new helmet, anyways. Shit.
Ahí te pura verga que compra verga.
Oh, watch it here, cause you could fall. No, mom. Oh shit, lightning. Hey, look, a pony. Oh shit, oh, puta man.
¿Dónde?
Oh shit. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Go, 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 go. Go, close the door, close the door. Go. Close the garage. Andy, close it, come on. Andy. Oh shit. Where'd they go? Hey, fine.
Le tocó y oh shit, chivo, güey.
Güey, yo me quedé parado, güey, porque si luego se iban a...
Hey, what?
Oye, acá hay otro carro.
Hey, we should go back for the slot machines.
Wait, cause I fix them. We can fix that shit.
But we need a truck. My dad's. Oh, I should tell my dad.
Yeah. There's a bicycle.
When was the last time it was registered?
Where there's another
Hey.
riding.
Wait. Oh shit. No, but it's just a bee. As long as you don't fuck with it. Fuck.
Hombre, hay una pota. Otra.
Shit.